We get this question a lot. Why not just invest in paper gold? You don't have to worry about theft. There's no risk of getting fake gold. And it's like real gold, right? Well, no. Physical gold is precisely that. It's real gold. The kind of gold that you can melt and shape into different things, like a crown or a watch or a ring or coins or bars. Paper gold is a certificate that proves you've invested in gold. This is also known as gold ETFs or an exchange traded fund. Some of your money buys a certain amount of gold and issues shares in that fund. The value of your shares is supposed to track the price of gold. That's why many people feel like it's just like gold. Some people feel that even though they're not holding the actual coin or bar in their hand, they still own it. After all, if you put gold in your IRA, you will also be unable to physically hold the gold you own as it needs to be in a depository. Now with an ETF, it's up to your fund's custodian to manage. You would be able to track the value of your gold ETF the same way you'd be able to track any other stock or anything else that's publicly traded on the market. But if you have a gold IRA, you're going to manage your own account. You can sell it back to us anytime, which makes it very easy to liquidate. The gold ETF, you rely on the custodian, you're relying on that fund to make sure that they have enough gold. The good news is that you don't have to pick one form of investment over the other. You can have both. But if you're just starting, it's worth thinking about what more accurately fits your lifestyle and your goals. First, a gold IRA with Noble Gold Investments or a gold ETF are equally easy to liquidate. You can sell your gold back to us. We have a very easy buyback program. For a gold ETF, as long as you have access to the market or bank, they can easily liquidate also. You can trade ETFs with some other options that are out there. Both have fees. Remember that you also have to pay fees when you have a fund. There are several things you will enjoy when you directly own gold, either directly through a gold IRA or by physically owning it over an ETF. First thing is, you actually own the gold. Gold ETF doesn't mean you own the gold. If you can't hold it, you can't take physical possession of it, unlike physical gold. If things go south, all you have really is a cash settlement. And if you read through the fine print, a lot of those ETFs, you'll realize that the majority of them have payouts or physical gold going to large funds. Individual investors like us would be last in line if things went, south in some of these funds. Second thing, there's no third-party management risk. Similar to the first point, if you don't own the gold outright, then you're relying on intermediaries to manage it for you. Those third parties could file for bankruptcy or obscure whether they actually own gold and who's buying that gold. Number three is selection. When you invest in physical gold, you get to pick in what form the gold is. Noble Gold has a wide selection of bars and coins, and you can choose that with our gold IRA. We have people that will help you select the right bars or coins for your investment, but ultimately you're going to make the decision. In ETFs, you don't get to choose what kind of form the gold is. You're purchasing shares of, hopefully, they're buying gold, and that means there may be limitations on how your investment will grow over time. Number four, gold is a global currency. No matter where you go, no matter what country you end up in, gold is needed, desired, and it has consistent value. Central banks of different countries are hoarding gold. The world wants it, the world needs it. So where do you buy gold? Call us, we sell gold, Noble Gold Investments. We'll help you with your gold investment, whether you want to put in your IRA or have it delivered to a location of your choosing. We're here to help you. Please read our reviews. One of the things that people really talk about with us is the quality of our bars and coins. We hand select everything, make sure it's in impeccable condition, and you'd be surprised. Quality can change from dealer to dealer. So it's important that you make sure that you check out the reviews of a dealer to make sure you're going to get good quality. Don't hesitate to reach out and see what our sales associates can offer you. 877-646-5347, or you can go to our website and download the guide at noblegoldinvestments.com.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.